You should always do this on your map or on your map on your screen. See it here? So I'm always doing this. You can see where I would go long. You can see where it goes short. I'd always pull back right here to pre-market and go, hey, when just like this, had this popped pre-market or had it popped at the bell and broke pre-market, this thing would have screamed, wouldn't it? Because anytime a stock breaks pre-market high, you're going to get a big pop. Doesn't mean it's going to stay, but it's a very bullish indicator to the upside, at least out of the gate, right? That's a big one. That's like the first thing we look at, by the way, at the bell. First thing, does it break pre-market high or not? I always look at how heavy this is. So you can see this is the range in pre-market. Can everybody see this? This right here, let me take all these other ones off. I'll just move these, get rid of this one. Do you see this channel pre-market? This is big, right? See what happened the second it broke this in pre-market? Check it out. So what I mean by is, look, you see this? See right here where it broke, everyone?
Yeah. And that's what you mean by everybody books profits the first 5 minutes. So that's why that red went down.
And these channels were imperative, right, to what was going on pre-market. I hope everybody's seeing this. Again, masterclass. You should be writing this all down. Making.
I was actually going to ask you about that, Coach, because when the bell rang, you said, well, I'm looking for a spy to pull. Is that your indicator why you said that?
Absolutely. Yep. It got super heavy when it shouldn't have, right? Right here. Yep, absolutely. If this would have stayed up here to the high side, I would have looked for a pop, at least a pop, right? And then I would say, hey, is that going to break pre-market, which would have popped higher? Then it probably would have curled and faded, right?